Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's start with fifth days problem. Let's look at the problem first. So here we have ginorts. I don't know how to read that. Yeah, it's about sorting problem. Sorting, it's sorted to GINORTS 1 2 3 4 like that. So let's look at the problem first. You are given a string s, so we will be given a string s, and s contains alphanumeric characters only, so s will contain alphabets and numbers only. So then your task is to sort s in the following manner. So we need to follow some parameters to sort the string that they gave us. So let's see one by one of them. All sorted lowercase letters are ahead of uppercase letters, so lowercase should be ahead of uppercase. Okay, let's mark it out. Lowercase comes first, then what? Then uppercase. All sorted uppercase are ahead of digits. Lowercase, then uppercase, then digits. Then what? All sorted odd digits are ahead of all sorted even digits. So in digits itself, odd comes first and even comes second. So in digits, let's remove it. Odd digits, then even digits. So this is the order that we want to sort. So let's see the test case. This is the test case that we need to sort. Paste it over here, and we can now see the output, sample output. Let's copy it out. Let's paste it. So here we have s here, then so this is the way we need to sort it out. For sorting, here capital S comes under uppercase, so it should be printed second, and a remaining thing ORTING, it is sorted as alphabetical order and it will be printed first. Then 1 2 3 4, 1 and 3 are odd digits, so it will be the third position, and finally 2 and 4 at the end. So we need to make an algorithm so that this turns to this. Let's see if anything else is there. A single line of input is given, so this is gonna be the input and we need to do this. Okay, let's start with the coding. So s is the input, right? S gonna be string. So first we can like make a list out of that. Then what we need, so right now the input will be in the state of a list with each element as a single alphabets, numbers over like that. So we need to know what are those. So let's loop it out for I in s. Then we need to check whether if I is alphabet and lowercase. If I dot is alpha and I dot is lower then we can append it to something, right? So yeah, uppercase letters dot appendify. So we don't have uppercase letters, so let's copy it out, paste it one more time. Oh my god, I forgot to copy U, and here it will be lowercase. Let's make a list like that, same as in the case of, so similar for the odd and even numbers. Odd number, same as in even number. So we finally got it. Now let's check whether if I is an alphabet and I upper. So if both the things are correct, oh my god, we added an extra P. Then we can append it to lower, oh sorry, okay, we made it wrong, so let's correct it. This was lower case letters. Now dot append of I. Okay, now we need to check whether if digit I is a digit. So in order to do that, let's use this function isDigit, and if I is a digit, then we need to check whether it's odd or even. So inside that, if I dot, okay, I percentage to not equal to 0, then it's gonna be odd, right? Odd number dot append of I, and else it's gonna be even number dot append of I. Forgot to add even number. Even number dot append of I. So we finally get all the things here. So next we need to like sort it out. So in order to do that, we need to sort all of these individually. Paste it, then dot sort. Let's copy this. So each and everything in that is sorted. So what do we need to do is like we need to combine those. So in order to do that, first we need to make a new list equal to lowercase letter dot, like in order to combine two lists, there is a list method called extend, and if it was a set, we can use the update method, but there is no such thing for list, so we can use the extend. So when we use the extend, lowercase, uppercase, so lowercase elements combines with the uppercase elements and it will be stored to new list. So same as here, dot extend, we need to write new list dot extend of, next comes the odd numbers, right? Odd number. Then we need to again extend it, extend of even number. Then finally let's print it out. New list, okay, so copy it, paste it. So what's happening, if I percentage 2 not equal to 0, type here, not all arguments can be converted to string formatting. So like let's do it as int, then what, let's copy it out, then let's paste it. So what's happening, none type, new list dot extend of odd number. So it's saying that there is nothing in odd extend. So what's happening here, I think, oh my god, I thought we only put upper, it was is upper. Now paste it over here, then what, yeah, getting this still the same error. So wait a minute, let's avoid these two steps and print it out. I think the problem, none, it's still none. What's happening, I think we cannot use this function here. Let's try without lowercase letter dot extend of odd number, then lowercase even number. Let's try it out now. Okay, so we are getting it correct right now. So I think the variable that we declared, it does not work that way. So I think now we finally got it. So it's sorted as above in the same way, but we need to combine it to a string. So in order to make it a string, we can use dot join of okay, let's try it out again. Okay, so we finally got it correct. Okay, now let's try this code. Okay, so uploading it. Okay, now we got it correct. Then what about this one? Okay, we finally got it correct, so all test cases got passed. But there is actually some problem with this code. This is the first solution that I did, but if we are sorting the input at the first time itself, we don't need to sort it individually, so we can skip 4 of these steps, and instead we can just take the sorted input. So we can use sorted function available. So let's try it out now. Okay, we only need to change sorted instead of those 4. Now let's copy the test case and paste it over here, so we will get the same result instead of the above 4 steps, so we can skip that too. And there is another thing, it's already given in the question that there will be only alphanumeric characters, so we don't need to check whether it's alpha or not first of all. So instead of doing this, we can just avoid that too, here as well as here, and we don't need to do these stuffs too. Like left, so this is all we need to do. Let's check it now whether we will get the same output or not. So still we are getting the same output. It's because it's already given that the test cases contains only alphabets and numeric, so we don't need to check whether it's an alphabet and then whether it's uppercase or lowercase. Instead of that, just check whether it's lower or upper. And we can even reduce the code by eliminating the use of list. Instead of list, we can do it with string itself. Change it to string. For each and everything, we can just convert it to a string. So we converted these 4 to strings, so similar to the above case itself. So similar as above problem, but instead of doing this, we will be just adding it. Equal to plus equal to I. Oh my god, I. Lowercase letters, I forgot to add letters. So instead of doing that, we will be just doing this, similar to over here. And in order to do, we can avoid these 3 steps too. Just make us to print lowercase letters plus uppercase letters plus then odd number plus even number. So let's run the code again. Let's copy the test case. So still we are getting the same output, so we further reduce the steps over here, so we can just try it out whether it works for all the test cases. Instead of that, okay, let's run the code. Uploading. Yeah, it worked successfully. Then let's run for the test cases too. Okay, yeah, we finally got it. So this is the simplest way compared to the other step that we used with the list. So it's already said that it's a string, so we can do the string method itself instead of converting into a list and then doing it all. So I think the video is helpful to you guys. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, next day we can come with the sixth problem.